Sorry, hi all. Some of you had a problem with question 7. So this is question 7 in your textbook. And a few people said they had a problem with calculating the number of units. I'm going to start with that. So it's part C, and I'm looking for number of units. Now again, remember when you're looking for this, let it be n. Okay. Now, what are they telling us on this? So they want the profit to be 20% of the sales revenue from these units. Okay, so they don't, the only thing they tell you, they want the profit to equal to 20% of sales revenue. Now this one happens to be a little bit easier. Okay, now they don't, and it doesn't say, that's it, doesn't say anything else, right? So we know that this is 112. We know this 5160 and 6040. All that stayed the same because it didn't tell us that any of that changed. So that means, I'm just going to throw this in here. That means this is 6040. Okay, my selling price is 112. And if I want to work back over to revenue, it's 112n. And you want your profit to be 20% of your sales revenue. So you want your profit to equal 20% of 112n. Sorry, I need to get a calculator. Okay, sorry. So 112, and I want 20%. So I want my profit to be 22.4 of n. Okay, so to go from here to here, I multiply by the number of units, which you don't know, but we're going to call them n. These didn't change because it didn't say that anything changed. And you want your profit, remember, to be 20% of this figure, 22.4n. Okay, so what that means is, I'm looking at this bit here. So let's write that out. I have 60.4n minus 163,600 is equal to 22.4n. Okay, and again, you bring your n's to one side and your numbers to one side. Okay, so that's 60.4 minus, that's 38n is equal to 163,600 divided by 38. Now remember, you're always rounding up. 4,306 units. Okay. Okay, to do the next one, they're giving you 3 options. So I'm going to look at each of the options individually. In option number 1, they reduce the selling price by 15%. So 112 less 15%, your selling price is €95.20. It says you would increase the sales volume by 20%. You are selling 9,000, but because you've dropped your selling price, now you're going to be able to sell 10,800 units. Okay, and a further 18,000 is spent on advertising, so that you know that your fixed cost is advertising, and you need to add on 18,000. So your advertising in this scenario is 181,600. After that, it says everything stays the same. So this here, your variable cost is still the same. So that means that your contribution is 4360. Remember, to move from here to here, you need to multiply by the number of units. And then you take away your fixed costs and you get your profit. And that's scenario 1, that's if you did that. So let's look at option number 2 then. Okay, with option number 2, reduce the variable cost per unit by 320. So you want to reduce this by 320. So your variable cost is going to be 48.40. Okay, what else does it say? and increases the efficiency of the machines. The efficiency means that reduce the variable cost. This efficiency will cost 5% in extra fixed costs. Okay, 1 second. So once, pause it.